Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this 4-pack of really cool frames. These are 8.5 by 11-inch frames that actually are glass. They are completely glass on the whole thing, which makes them really sleek, very professional. Loving the fact that these things are so thin. These are incredible, and the fact these are structured glass, thin. I've never seen anything quite like this before. This would be great for any kind of documents or certificates that you wanted to display. Loving the fact that you can either put these vertically or horizontally. Everything is built really well with the actual frame, and the fact that this is all glass, there's no, like, you can wipe this whole thing down. I mean, it's not going to come apart. It's got a nice inset with the metal around the inside of that as well, so really nice design on that. One of my personal favorite features is the fact that this part here just slides out. As you can see here, so if you've got, like, you wanting to swap some different things out, maybe using it for presentations, really easy to do. Or maybe you've got some kid photos like you get for yearly for your kid's school. This would be great. You simply pull out the one and you can insert the other one in. And now that you can insert that in and slide those in there, and then you've got a way to keep your keepsake to where you can display it all year long. If my picture wasn't quite so curly here, it would go in there a little smoother, but you can slide it in there like that. Then you've got a nice way to display your kid's picture. And of course I did it upside down, but you get the idea. These did come packaged extremely nice in a pack of 4. They came all bubble wrapped individually in a nice sealed box, which was really great. So that way they arrived perfectly. Just simply pulling them out of that. You can see how they come, which is a really nice frame again. This will work great for anyone's home or office. I'm absolutely loving the design. Going to love displaying them around my home. Thank you guys again for sending them.